ARTIKA Sewing Kit, over 130D premium sewing supplies, mini sewing kit, 38 spools of thread, 20 most useful colors and 18 multicolors, extra 40 quality sewing pins, travel, kids, beginners. Degrees sew simply to choose. Number 1 best choice high quality DE travel sewing kits for adult, sewing kits for girls a must-have, premium sewing supplies in a compact zippered durable PU leather case, extra 40 quality sewing pins in a round stand, wonder clips and thread colors that you really need, 38 spools 3 white, 3 black, 2 blue, 2 light blue, 2 brown, 2 beige, 2 red, 2 ivory, 2 gray and 18 multicolors. Great gift for kids and adults, summer camp, home and travel. Degrees sew simply to count on. We have made sure to include all the essentials you could ever need, from our larger high-quality golden eye needles, not the cheap needles other kits use, metal thimble, not plastic like some kits, stainless steel scissors and much more. Everything neatly packaged ready to go. The perfect gift comes in an elegant gift box. Degrees sew simply to use, don't need a machine to use, the best compact sewing kit that is always available when you need with over 120 PCS. It easy to access for those quick, on-the-go repairs, great for missing buttons, ripped seams, or a quick hem make. Perfect kit for beginners, for home, travel, emergency, perfect for everyone. Degrees sew simply to carry, take it with you everywhere. These premium lightweight kits are small and portable. Our kit is lightweight and has secure lock elastic straps to keep everything organized at all times. Their ideal size can slip into a purse, suitcase, briefcase, office desk drawer, car, gym locker, or RV. You will always be prepared for any hand sewing emergencies. Degrees sew simply to buy. Our kit gives you the most bang for your buck, excellent value, 100% 30-day money-back guarantee. Click add to cart to get yours now.